The Bmw X5M is a high-performance SUV made by the German automobile manufacturer BMW. It features a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 600 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, which is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system. The X5M can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds and has a top speed of 177 miles per hour. It also comes with a range of advanced technologies and features, including adaptive LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, a full-color head-up display, and a Harman Kardon premium sound system.